Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just got back from Pro Italia where they installed my brake and clutch reservoirs from AEM Factory. There they are, AEM titanium. These are actually beautiful, gorgeous pieces of art. I'm very excited and super happy of the fact that I went with these instead of the Rizomas. Nothing on Rizoma, absolutely love Rizoma, but these things are just awesome. And what I love about them, and the reason why I went with them, is because they eliminate all the hoses. So it makes for a very, very clean setup. No more brackets housing them like up around here. You know, they're down low now. Can't see them. I went with the larger 42 millimeter clutch reservoir just so I could have some symmetry. So they're both the same size now. As you can see, no more hoses, out of the way. I think it cleans up the front end and the handlebars tremendously. So just check them out. That's what they look like. Love it. Beautiful titanium pieces of art, CNC machine. And we have the rear as well. There it is to match. Pro Italia did an awesome job. Always trust them with all their work. And that is it. Until next time, please keep subscribing to the channel and hit those like buttons and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you guys later.